Hey everybody, it's Kelly and I'm back with another layout. And today I'm scrapping one from the 4th of July. So I'm starting out with that red patterned paper and that red circle star paper is from Simple Stories Hometown USA. It's the Freedom Ring paper. And then I'm going to matte, that's the word I want, matte these two photos onto this plaid star paper, which is the Simple Stories Hometown USA 3x4 and 4x6 elements. So I want at least a complete row of that star showing. So that's why I'm kind of taking a little bit of time to figure out where the photos needed to go best to work with the matte. So then, now that I have that done, I really love that contrast of the white star paper with the striped paper. So the multi-star paper, the multi-white star paper is again that Simple Stories Hometown USA Freedom Ring All-American paper. And that red paper is a scrap from a Die Cuts with a View pack. And I don't know where that came, what the name of it is. It's fairly old. So then I was looking for a journaling card and found this journaling card from the Simple Stories Hometown USA 3x4 and 4x6 element. So that's the banner one. And then there was also this red one that says All American. And I looked to see if I had a punch big enough, but I would have needed a 3-inch circle punch. And I didn't have it. And I didn't, I could have cut it on my Cricut, that kind of stuff. I didn't want to take that time. It's just easier to use the scissors. Is it perfect? No. Is it a bit wonky? Yes. Am I okay with that? Yes. So now what I'm trying to do is determine how wide I can use that card, like what the width needs to be so that it doesn't extend beyond the background paper. And then same thing here with that red stripe paper and the white paper. So that's what I've done there. And then now I've got the card back on again, because I did determine that I don't really necessarily want that to go off the edge. I could have put it off the edge, but I decided not to do it. Okay. So there we go. And I like sometimes making those 3x4 cards work for me. If it's like, I'm not going to probably use a whole 3x4 card like that. I just don't scrap with pockets, but I do like the idea of using elements from it, and this is a great use of that because that's really basically what the whole card is about. Sorry guys, I've got a little tickle in my throat. Had to have a little tea here. So anyway, now I am inking all of the papers and elements here with my Tim Holtz Vintage Photo Distress ink here. That's just bringing all the collections together. Plus, this is very vintagey. Especially that 4x6 card looks so vintagey because there was a little bit of vintage on it with that like quote tape and that kind of stuff. So I just did that to add to kind of make everything blend. Now I'm looking at these stickers. I found that Happy Independence Day sticker. And those came from the Simple Stories Hometown USA 6x12 cardstock stickers. As did this USA. And I didn't know exactly when I would ever use that USA again. This is a layout about the 4th of July. It's actually July 1st. And I'm helping out my boyfriend with a really cool tradition. He belongs to a Rotary Club in the United States. And they take these flags and they put them out along a road in our area. And each flag has a tag on it that belongs to a veteran's name. And somebody sponsors that veteran, and they do it on Memorial Day, Labor Day, and 4th of July. So this particular time, I actually helped him put the flags out. It was really cool, and it looks beautiful to drive down this road. And it is a road with a more commercial road, but it's cool because you drive down that road, and it's lined by flags on both sides. So very cool. So then, because the whole point of this is the flags and then talking about why they're called really flags of honor is what the road is called when they do that. But I decided to use the USA instead of flags of honor. So the alpha that I just chose, that Puffy alpha, is from Ellie Studio Puffy Alpha stickers. And that particular one is from 2011. So I don't know that you would be able to even find that anymore. I did have to MacGyver the L because I didn't have an L on my sheet, but that's fine. All right, then now I'm putting down that All-American circle, and I wanted something dimensional, and I had that heart from somewhere just in my little dish of things that I keep in front of me, and so I grabbed it because it worked really well with this. I only had one of these left, so that works really, really well with the colors, and I don't scrap with kind of an ivory or beige theme very often, so this was perfect for it. And then that truck came from that Simple Stories Hometown USA sticker sheet again as well. And then I found this little like sparkler piece, and I thought that made a nice little, it added something to that cluster up there. And then there are some kind of beigey white stars, and it's going to be hard for you to see them on this layout. There were just 2 of them, so I added them into the bottom cluster and then that top left cluster there. You can see it on the layout itself. And then there was that flag was attached to the bike, but I knew I didn't want both of those, so I just cut the flag off the bike, and I'll use the bike later just as a little extra embellishment. And then I found these Puffy star stickers, and those came from Ellie's Studio, or come from Ellie's Studio. These are old as well. And I'm just bringing them in. They kind of help bring in some of the lighter blues, but also the alpha. And so there's more than one shade of blue on here and more than one texture of blue, so that it makes sense. That it doesn't look like the flags is just kind of a weird anomaly on the page. All right. So then I'm grabbing these rhinestones. I've been really into putting rhinestones on layouts lately, especially the kind of 4th of July themed ones that I've been doing. I scrapbooked a bunch of these together. So I'm adding those in. I don't know where these came from. Just grab some rhinestones. But I love the little addition of sparkle that they give to a page because this is about the 4th of July. And I think of, flags and fireworks and sparklers and that kind of stuff when I think of the 4th of July. All right, you guys, so that is all done. I'll journal a little bit on that card, and then the layout will be finished. Here's the still shot and a couple of detail shots. Hope you guys are all well, and I'll be back with another layout again soon. Bye, everybody.